Welcome back to the channel of Hannel Bar Garden. Today's video, if it's your first time being here, please like and subscribe. Hopefully this will help you out some way. Today, we got Heister floorboard extenders, brackets. It's going to extend her feet up 2.5 inches. A little side note on that, her feet been, ankles, stuff been swelled on longer rides, and her legs was angled down. So done some measuring, done some calculating. This is going to bring her legs straight, and we're hoping that's going to really help her. I'm going to show you how to install these. Simple process, and we'll get on that right after this. On the procedure of taking these off, so simple. Just pull these out. And I'm going to leave these rubbers, these tops on, because I didn't want to pull them through there because I'm afraid I'm not going to get back in right. So these are simple. You pull that back and you'll see what holds these pins in is these right here nubs. It just keeps them from sliding in and out. Everybody needs a muffler shop. Anyway, this is the easiest way I've found to get these out. You just get something like this. Look at there. There's the first one already pretty much out. But what I'm saying, what I'm going to do, if you'll turn it like this, and you can push down, because there's that ball and springs right under there. If you'll push down, then all you got to do is push that through. Okay, that first one's out. So it was. They're both out. One of them got shoved back in there. That's all right. Just take this, and as you're down here like this, it's done. And your ball, it just fell right there. Ball and spring right here. That one's broke loose. Of course, they're two different sizes. Show you why here just in a second. See how easy that one was? Because this bottom one really don't do anything. It just keeps it from flopping around. Just barely tight. We'll get to the torque specs here just in a minute. I'll fill you in on what those are. And you can look them up for yourself. I'll tell you what I'm going to torque mine to. And you know, this one here had Loctite on it. And we will be using Loctite. But the top one, I'm going to say it don't, because there's a lock washer. And I'm thinking, why would you use Loctite, the lock washer? I don't know. We'll see. The way it feels, it probably does, as it's coming out. And yes, it had a little bit too. Maybe. I think so. What these are for, these different holes, if you don't know, you got a longer legged passenger, you can go plumb down to here, right? In our case, we're going on up. And here's the new one. So that's how that'll set. I think it's going to look good. So I'm going to use some Loctite. And don't have, please don't do Loctite abuse. It don't take much. Don't take much at all, actually. It might be a bugger right there to put a torque wrench on. I'll tell you that right now. But we'll see. We'll see. Then the top one. Okay, you can look these torque specs up for yourself. But what I'm going to do is torque to 30 pounds. But you look it up for yourself. And again, you'll notice I didn't put any Loctite on that. It's got a lock washer. That's torque, not click. Ugh. As soon as it clicks, you're done. You're done. So just letting you know. The bottom one down here, I'll get me a. I think that was it right here. Just so it be. This one here torques to 5 foot-pound, which is not much. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Now all we've got to do is put everything back together. All right, the secret to putting these back on, you'll do it like this. When the bike's laying over, gives that ball something easy to roll off. But if you just go right down through there, there's a little catch it'll catch in. Get close. So I got them pretty close there. Let's go a little more. Over there, there's that one. There we go. Yep, almost. There. A little more. There we go. And there they are. Simple as that. Works like a new one. And then you just pop your little rubber pieces down. Snap them back in place. And there you have it. So, hope this some way helped you out. Some way, somehow, give us a thumbs up and a like if you don't care. And until next time, be good to one another.